Our team is yet to ascertain the exact cause of the fight, but of course sources say it began with the two students, one of S.6 and the other of S.4, that later attracted the rest of the classes to join in the fight, specifically the classes of Senior 4 and Senior 6. As of now, of course, some students were injured. We will be giving you details of those injured and how many they are.
The security of our learners, Board of Governors, together with the security personnel, we have decided to send these children away from school for some time, pending a decision to be taken after we have fully studied what caused the problem. The impact it has is great. First of all, students are going to lose. They are losing, and it is likely to bring poor performance of the school and to the learner himself.
Okay?